Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lub English. I'm Alice, and I'm excited to have you here today. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most important things in English, saying thank you politely. Saying thank you is not only polite, but it also shows appreciation, respect, and friendliness. Have you ever received help, a gift, or a favor and felt unsure how to respond in English? Many beginners struggle with this because they either say too little or don't know the right polite phrases. Don't worry. Today, we will learn simple and natural ways to say thank you politely in English. You'll practice phrases that are easy to remember, friendly, and respectful. In this episode, we will cover different ways to say thank you politely, how to respond to someone who thanks you, using thank you in daily conversations, at work, school, and public places, adding extra polite words for warmth and respect, feeling confident when expressing gratitude. By the end of this episode, you will feel comfortable saying thank you in English in any situation. You don't need long sentences or perfect grammar, you just need kind words and a polite tone. Take a deep breath, relax, and imagine someone doing something nice for you. Let's practice saying thank you naturally and politely. Saying thank you politely is simple, but there are a few key points to remember. Step 1. Use basic phrases. Start with simple words like thank you, thanks, thank you very much, thanks a lot. Step 2. Add polite words for extra respect. You can add phrases like, thank you so much for your help. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your time. Step 3. Respond politely if someone thanks you. When someone says thank you to you, respond with, you're welcome. No problem. It's my pleasure. Don't mention it. Step 4. Use in different situations. At school, thank you for helping me with my homework. At work, thanks for your support today. In public, thank you for showing me the way. With friends and family, thanks for being such a good friend. Step 5. Body language and tone. A smile, eye contact, and a friendly tone make your thank you feel more natural and polite. Example, thank you very much for helping me with my homework. I really appreciate it. Using polite phrases and a kind tone will make your English sound friendly and respectful. Let's practice questions and answers about saying thank you politely. Basic situations. Question, how do you say thank you? Answer, thank you. Thanks a lot. When someone helps you. Question, a friend helped you with your project. What do you say? Answer, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. In public places. Question, someone gives you directions. What do you say? Thanks a lot for your help. When responding to thanks. Question, someone says thank you. What can you reply? Answer, you're welcome. Answer, it's my pleasure. Answer, no problem. Extra polite expressions. I really appreciate your help. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for being so kind. Practicing these Q&A examples helps you feel confident using thank you naturally in daily conversations. Saying thank you politely is important in daily social interactions. At school or class, thank you for helping me with the homework. Thanks for explaining that. At work, thanks for your support today. I really appreciate your advice. In shops or public places, thank you for showing me this item. Thank you for your help. With friends or family, thanks for being such a good friend. I really appreciate your help. Responding to thanks politely, you're welcome. No problem. It's my pleasure. I'm happy to help. Tips to sound natural: smile when you say thank you, speak slowly and clearly, add a friendly tone for warmth. Polite expressions of gratitude strengthen relationships and make your English conversations friendly and positive. We've reached the end of today's episode. Today, we learned how to say thank you politely in English. We practiced phrases for school, work, public places, and casual conversations. We also learned how to respond politely when someone thanks you. Remember, you don't need long sentences or perfect grammar. Clear, kind, and polite words are enough to communicate gratitude effectively. Here is your practice for today. Say these out loud. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for your help. You're welcome. It's my pleasure. Try using these phrases today with friends, family, classmates, or coworkers. Practice will help you feel confident and natural when expressing gratitude. Thank you for listening to Lub English. I'm Alice, and I'm proud of you for practicing today. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and enjoy saying thank you politely in English.